today we will see exercise 3A. Okay, so I have explained all the topics in integers. Okay, once you remind all the topics and based on the topics only we will do this exercise here. Here is the first question. Write the opposite of each of the following statements. Opposite of each of the following statements. Here they have given some statements. Here we have to write the opposite statements. Suppose if they have given the positive statements, we have to write the negative statement. Okay, if they have given the negative statement, we have to write the positive statement. Okay, now see. Gain of rupees 10, rupees 90. Okay, gain of rupees 90. So gain, what is the opposite of gain here? Loss. Okay, loss of rupees 90. Okay, now see the next one, 70 meters above sea level. Statement only we are writing here. We are not touching the numbers here. We are writing the statement only. 70 meter above sea level. So above, what is the opposite of above? Below. Write down 70 meter below sea level. Now see the next one, 20 meter due west. Due west. Here west opposite, what is the, find out the term which we can write the opposite of the given statement. See here west. So what is the opposite of west here? East. Right. 20 meter due east. Okay. Now see the next one, 25% increase. What is the opposite of increase here? Decrease. Write down 25% decrease. Okay. Now see the next one, plus 45. Here they have given only number only. So what is the opposite of this one here? Minus 45. Okay. You understood this one? Good. This question, write all integers between. We have to write all the integers between the given numbers here. Here first one is 3 and 10. So first, remember the number line. So what is the number line here? Like this. Okay. So opposite of this side, we will have the negative numbers. And so on, like this we have on the right hand side, you will have the positive numbers. And this side also, and so on. We will have like this number line. Now, what are the numbers we have to write here? Integers between 3 and 10 here. Integers between 3 and 10. Okay. Where is 3 here? Locate that one first. This is your 3. Okay. Now, and where is 10 here? For my calculator, I have written like this. I have taken few numbers. I have indicated few numbers only on the left hand side. Okay. I have taken more about up to 10 numbers for my convenience. Okay, here I have to write 3 and 5, between 3 and 5. Between 3 and 10 means don't write the 3 and 10. Okay, you have to exclude these two and you have to write in between all the numbers. Okay, between 3 and 10. What are the numbers we have? Answer. Integers between 3 and 10 are, what are they? 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 7, 8 and 9. Like that you have to mention. Understood? You have to write the numbers, integers between 3 and 10. 3 and 10, in between you have all these numbers. Write down all the numbers. Okay. Now see the next one, minus 3 and 6. We have to write the numbers between minus 3 and 6 here. Okay. Minus 3 and 6. So again, first draw the number line. Minus 3 and 6. On the both sides you have to take. Right? Okay. Now see. We have to write in between minus 3 and 6. First locate the numbers. Where it is? Minus 3 is here. Minus 3 will be on the left hand side and 6 will be on the right hand side. Now, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the numbers we have in between minus 3 and 6. Now write down the answer here. So what is that one? Integers. they? Note down. -2, -1, 0, 1. Okay. Okay. Now see the next one. -1 and -8. You have to write the integers between -12 and -8. First draw the number line and indicate the numbers -12, -8 where you get these numbers. After that, write down integers between -12 and -8. What are they? -11, -10 and -9. Okay. This is how you have to show the numbers here. First, if you draw the number line now, it will be easy for you. Okay. By practicing like this, you can write without drawing the number line also. You can write the numbers here. Understood? Good. Now done. Next question, write 7 integers each greater than -6. Okay, we have to mention 7 integers that are greater than -6. First, write down number line. Draw the number line first and indicate the numbers and greater than -6 now. So I have taken up to, on the left hand side I have taken up to -6, on the right hand side any numbers you can take here. Greater than, we have to write 7 integers greater than -6. Greater than means, see the number line. Once, if you go to the right hand side, your value increases. That means all these numbers are greater than -6 only. All the negative numbers, positive numbers are greater than -6, greater than negative numbers, and also 0 also greater than negative numbers. And coming to the negative numbers, we have to write greater than -6. So before all the numbers also greater than -6 only, right? So before any number we can write here. Write 7 integers. They have asked you to 7 integers to write. You can take any number, okay? Or big numbers also you can take here. 200, 300, 1000, 270. Like that, any numbers you can take. Okay? Any big numbers you can take here. In hundreds or thousands, any numbers you can take. But that should be more. That should be greater than -6. So I will follow this one, the number line only, and I will write down in the sequence. Okay. So what they have asked to write 7 integers. 7 integers greater than -6. Or what are they? Before numbers in the sequence only. I am writing here. -2, 4, and next one 5, and next one 0. You have to write 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 completed, and mention and 1. Okay. So these are the 7 integers greater than -6. Immediately greater than numbers only I have taken here. Okay. Good. Now see the next one. Evaluate each of the following. So here you have to find out the absolute values. We learned about absolute value. Absolute value means nothing but, see, if you have any number like this, absolute value means you have to apply mod here. These 2 lines will be called mod. Okay. Modulus of 4. Absolute value of 4 will be 4 only. Suppose if we have negative number in the mod, okay, in between 2 lines if you have the negative number, that time also you will get the result positive number only. That is called absolute value. Mod of -4 will be 4 only. Absolute value of any number is always positive number only. Absolute value of any number will be positive. Absolute value means you have to mention in between 2 lines. This is called modulus. Mod of -4. Okay. Now -7, -8. So once again write down the given number here. And now mod of any number will be that number only. If you have the negative also, it will be converted to positive. So you will get 17. That's it. You carry the sign here. Minus is there now, give the minus. Mod of 8 will be 8. Now mod of 8 will be 8. Subtract this one. 17 minus 8 will be 9 here. Understood? See the next one. Absolute value of -14. First, write down the given number as it is. Now, absolute value of any number will be that number only, irrespective of the sign. Here you have negative -14, negative number. So this will be converted convert it to positive. You will get the number itself. Positive number. And here you have plus now, being plus. Now mod of 5. Absolute value of 5 will be 5. Now what is the answer here? 14 plus 5, 19. Okay. Now see the next one. Absolute value of, here we have 3 numbers we have to do. Okay. First, find out the absolute value of the, if they have given in the mod means, you have to write the absolute value of the particular number. Mod minus 8 will be 8. Negative will become positive. Positive number also will become positive one. Here carry the signs, plus is there. And mod of minus 6 will be 6. It will be converted to positive number. And then next your sign is minus. And after that mod 10 will be 10. Absolute value of 10 will be 10 only. Now do this one. First to do the, according to your Deimos rule, you have to add the positive numbers first. Here you have only 2 signs, plus and minus only. So first to do the addition and do the next do the subtraction. 8 plus 6 will be 14 minus 10. 14 minus 10 will be 4.